That's why it's so nice and so beautiful that we have the community of the church to gather and to praise God.
kandi icyo nicyo gituma ari byiza kugira umuryango w'ishengero ukoranira hamwe kugira ngo dushobore guhimbaza Imana
and to build up one another.
eka mbere tugafashanya kubakana umwe akubaka mugenzi we.
In Ecclesiastes 4:10, Solomon says this.
usomye hariya mu gitabo cy'umusigizi n'igice cya kane umurongo w'icumi Salomo yavuze aya majambo.
But woe to him who is alone when he falls,
kandi umuntu umwe iyo ari wenyine yaguye
for he has no one to help him up.
biba bimugoye kuko atagira uwundi amuvyura.
You know that psychologists they say that
ariko abapsikologe nabo bagira bati
at all times we have to have at least one person to take care of us.
yuko dutegerezwa nibura kugira umuntu umwe mu by'ukuri atwitwararitse,
to care for us and that we should care for them.
uyo akaba twitwararitse ariko natwe tukaba dufise abo twitwararitse.
Because so many people they are asking themselves, what is there for to live?
kubera yuko hari abantu benshi usanga bibaza bati none ni bimaze iki kubaho.
And from here results a lot of unhappiness, suicide, depression.
aho rero niho haca hava bya bindi byo kwamucinyiriwe uguta umutwe eka mbere no kwiyahura.
Or if somebody puts it, if the past holds no meaning,
hari abandi bagira bati kahise ntacyo gasobanuye,
the present no joy,
kandi kazoza nako nta munezero kagira,
and the future no hope.
maze akubo kaba kata munezero ariko kazoza nako nikagira ibyizigiro.
And no one seems to care what is there to live for.
bikagaragara ko ata muntu n'umwe abitayeho, maze bakavuga ngo bimaze iki kubaho.
As we go down in history,
rero nitwinjira imbere muri kahise,
there is a deeper loneliness than before.
usanga rero hariho ukuba nyamwigenda ko cyane kurengeye muri iki gihe gusumbya uko byabaye.
And so many people embark on these dangerous trips.
maze abantu bagaca bahitamo gufata ingendo ziteye ubwoba z'ubwiyahuzi.
They desperately search for a means of escaping loneliness.
maze bagaca bagenda mu kwiheba bakarondera icyo bafasha guhunga ubunyakamwe.
Some they use drugs, some they use pills, some they use alcohol, some they go in a gang.
bamwe baraheza bakanywa ibiyayuramutwe, abandi bagakoresha imiti, abandi bakitera inshinge, eka mbere abandi bakifatanya n'imigwi y'inkozi z'ikibi.
Some turn to entertainment, having fun.
eka abandi nabo bagashira ubwenge bwabo ku bibahimbara nko kuraba amafilime n'ibindi.
Some they go to prostitution and so on.
abandi bakaja mu busambanyi na bene ivyo.
They are chasing these fragile bubbles of soap.
bagaheza bakarondera ibintu bidafite agaciro ngo byo bagirire ico bimaze.
Only to find out when they touch it that it's all a lie.
bakagira bati icyo dushobora gukora ko icyo nicyo kigize icyo kimaze mu buzima bwacu.
And this leaves a greater void than before, a greater loneliness.
ivyo rero bigaheza bikabasigira ibikomere bikomeye mbere gusumbya ibyo muri kahise.
But there is hope, there is someone who cares.
ariko hari ibyizigiro kuko hariho utwitayeho.
If somebody asks you this, is there anyone who really cares?
hamwe wogira ukubaza uti mbega hariho ukwitayeho,
Is there more to life
yitayeho ku buzima bwawe
than trials and tribulation like we spoke in the morning?
mu bibazo ingorane nk'uko twabivuze mu gitondo.
Tell them that there is someone.